Hello, this is Michael with Iron Studio. Just wanting to kind of show you what's going on in the shop and then show you a helpful tool I've been using. So here's what's going on. We have just finished a door jamb for Holy Stromboli's Phase 2. They're expanding their building and this is one of the door jambs. So we finished that. We'll get that delivered today. But what I'd like to show you on one of the very nice things I used is this fume exhaust. I've seen lots of videos and other tools out there that are either don't work very well or they're just stupid expensive. And this is the perfect solution. So this is just a inline fan. It's up there. Just an inline 10-inch fan used for indoor agriculture or marijuana. But the thing about it is it's like $100, $150, something like that. But the CFH that it draws is just as much as those extendable arms that Miller and Lincoln Electric sells. And you can hook up a hose. Yeah, it's kind of flimsy. It's not the best thing. You're probably going to have to replace it every year because, just wear and tear. You drag it across something and it tears. Just be kind of gentle with them, but has the same CFH, does the same thing. I just route it outside and out it goes. I'd like to put a filter so I'm not just throwing all that junk outside, but for right now, this is what we're working with, and it works great. As you can see here, I was welding along this top part here, and I just move them along where I need them. Same with that whole side. I can just take this, move it where I want it, and it'll stay. One of the tricks I get to do to get it to stay is I just put something heavy in there. Right now there's a couple hammers in there because that's what I had. But usually it's that steel block right there. That does wonders. And another thing you can do with a lot of the slack is I have these points in the shop kind of coming down on both sides. And then a hook on the side. And you can just hook it and then take up the slack, get it up out of the way. Or in this case, for this one, if you're trying to get all the way across to that other side, hook it up there and you can do that. And then it's not taking up floor space and everything. Another nice thing about it is it's an adjustable fan. So here's the inside. Goes up and out. I'm sure the CFH is affected by that, but I'm just renting the building and don't want to knock a bigger hole in the wall. Anyway, yeah, so the fan's out there, and right here is the little deal. And you just, you can set it. It's got 8 different modes, and it works fantastic. So if you're wanting to get into welding, if you've been into welding, and you're looking for an exhaust system, because say you're in your garage, your shop, or shed, stick one of these things in the corner. I mean, even cutting a 10-inch hole in the side of the building, or shoving it under the door, the shop door, or put it in this door, would be great. Keep your lungs safe, keep you safe, because you got to think about that as well. But I thought I'd throw that out there because it works a lot better than one of those bathroom fans that everybody uses on YouTube. And it's a heck of a lot cheaper than what the big companies sell. So just throwing it out there, giving you some helpful tips and tricks to try to help some other welders out. I'll try and put some more videos out for you guys, let you know what's going on in the shop a lot more often. I'd like to do that once a week, because a lot of you guys want to know. I've just been so swamped lately, but we'll fix that. So anyway, thank you for your time.